Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI Nova 10 and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap on the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see ringtone volume panel, and just to change it, push it, hold and swipe to the left or to the right side this volume panel, and that's it. Also we can change here volume button function from media to ringtone, and now just by press to the up or to the down volume buttons we can change ringtone volume, and we can make it by the third way. Press up or down volume button and then you can slide to the up or to the down this volume panel, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.